breakfast.
Best place ever to stay in Santiago. Ever on the Camino. Whole room to myself. Bathroom and shower. One Santa! Thank you, mucho gracias. Santiago de Compostela train station. And my ticket for the next train. I have arrived. This factory, Estrella Galicia Factory. Yes, perfect. Tenemos los lados menos en el sector 4, pero ya andaré yo por ahí. I'm going to smell some variety of hop. My favorite is the Magnum hop used in their 1906 Galician Irish Pale Ale. Now I shall try some of the cereal. Tastes much better in beer format.
The water of A Coruna with unique characteristics. A mega-star company.
Estrella de 6 puntas do céu de Salomão.
Okay, that elevator ride was very, very, very strange. Now I'm going to something about they drank some very strong alcohol and that's an illusion. I don't know. Anyhow, so this is the liquid resulting from the brewing process before it gets fermented, and it takes sickly sweet. Oh, I can't do it. I cannot drink this. This is beer that has not been matured or conditioned. It has a little bit of alcohol in it. Nope, don't like it. It's not as disgusting as the other one, but I still don't like it. And they have a timeline of the beer in the factory, and they also include Neil Armstrong on the moon. This is one of the best museums I've ever been to in my whole life. The Popo bottle. Con Popo. I went in to see the bottling plant and they had a VR headset in there. Ferrari Team Partner. VR time, going to a concert. Beer is included with the tour. The good old Estrella Galicia. I thoroughly enjoyed my visit at this factory, and I will be back again. This is way too hot. I cannot walk around. Their marketing worked because I'm going to have one of these and some olives. It really feels like I'm in the Caribbean at the moment. Watch this parade of people that just came out of Agatha Christie murders. Instead of beer.